Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. So another Aliexpress unboxing. So really cheap items that I bought and I will unbox in this video, and I will provide links for everything. Okay, I will show you the price I paid for. So if you go for this option on the first page that is offering gadgets and parts by really cheap prices, okay, so you see I already have more in my basket ready to click pay. And so we start by the first one. So this is a charging cable, three in one, okay, so it really seems good quality. I was surprised by the quality, you see. So we have USB normal on one side and it goes inside, so it has a spring inside it, and the cable goes inside and it works really well. Okay, so you have three options. So you have USB-C, micro USB, and iOS devices, okay, iPad and iPhone. And considering that new iPhones are coming out with USB-C, this cable comes pretty handy. Okay, so and I paid for €1.67. Amazing. Okay, and if I click now outside the promotion, it's €5. Okay, and we can check more pictures from the catalog. Let's go for another one. So next one, it's a PCI Express for solid state drives. Okay, so you see it comes disassembled, and this is where you will insert your solid state drive. You put the screws and then you connect to your motherboard, and of course you have to put the solid state drive. Okay, so this is for NGFF solid state drive. I will also link for one for NVME, but for small factor, okay, on the description below the video. So this is a cheap solution if you run out of SATA ports and you want to connect one more SSD to your motherboard. This is a nice solution. Okay, so and this one was €3.45. you see, M2 hard disk card reader. In fact, it says NVME, so it works for NGFF and also non-volatile memory express. Okay, another item to unbox, VGA to HDMI, and these allow you to connect HDMI computers to monitors that don't have a HDMI connection. Okay, so if your old monitor only have VGA input, you can with this device connect an HDMI computer, and will also work with audio if you connect the cable. And if you connect for the audio, it needs power. Okay, if you are only for the video, it not requires the cable for the power, but if you want also audio, it requires some power from the USB port. And this was also really cheap, so €2.53. and if I go outside the promotion found on the first page of AliExpress, it costs €5.33. Okay, let's go for one more. Ergonomic mouse, vertical mouse. So I've been using one of these, and first time you try it, it's really strange, but then when you get used to it, it's really nice. And according to some stuff I read about it, it prevents some injuries on your hand and on your wrist, okay, because they say it's more ergonomic for your hand movement, okay. And as you can see, it's strange, but it works really well, and it's wireless, and the build quality, it's amazing. And it operates with two AAA batteries. This is the receiver that you will plug to your computer or smart TV or Android box, whatever you want, okay. And if I tell you that I have another one, but this one is used, you can see it's a little bit dirt, from Trust. And so being this the original and this one the copy, can you see so many difference? Because for me, and I already tried it, it works amazing. It's not so heavy as the original, of course, but it works equal, okay. So I was really surprised. And yeah, so this is a complete clone, and it works really well. So 10 times less the price, but they are almost identical, probably not inside, of course. So I paid €3.38, and if you go outside the promotion, it costs around €8. Yeah, and it's really good. Okay, so this is my top item from the video. I highly recommend these. I'm really happy that I found these and I was able to purchase this item at this price point, because it's a fantastic hub with Ethernet, with card reader, with USB 3.0, so with 4K HDMI output, and yeah, it's really good. And if you want to buy a device like this in a normal store, probably you will pay about 25 to 30 euros or more, and you will be astonished by the price I paid for. Okay, so this is the charging port, the one near the circle, so you can power devices through this. And yeah, I have not one, not two, I have three. Okay, so this one, the box, it's a little bit different, but the device is more or less the same, only the HDMI port is on a different position. I will show you. And yeah, so I will use one with my Alexa or Amazon TV stick. I will try to use it to have Ethernet directly and be able to plug an external drive or a joystick control. Okay, I will do the same to my Google TV. I will try to give Ethernet connection by connecting one of these to the device, and I'm thinking of doing a separate video with those experiences, and the third one I will use it with my computers. Okay, so this was €6, so really cheap, okay? And if you go outside the promotion, it's the double, but even so I think it's a good price for an item like this, because it allows you to connect a lot of devices, and you can use two monitors with your laptop, another monitor with your laptop, and it's really nice, okay? So last items of the video: several adapters, USB-C to USB 3.0. I'm always searching for the right cable, and sometimes I have the right cable, I have a good cable, but the connection is not good. So with these I can, for instance, connect to my smartphone with USB-C and then connect a USB normal device, okay? I will also be able to connect to newer laptops that only have USB-C, and be able to connect a normal USB cable, okay? These ones are also transforming USB-C into micro USB that will enable connection to the Amazon Fire Stick and Google TV Stick with this device, okay? That's the reason I purchased, and I will give it a try. One of these days I will do a video. And the last one, well, it's not the last one, there is one more. So this one is, it transforms, so it's the same of the black ones but from a different brand. So USB-C micro USB. So I ordered a different one just to test if there are some problems with the other ones, okay? And this was so cheap that buying one or two doesn't make the difference, okay? So remember, one of these is the power. If you want to power all the other units, you can connect the power cable there. And this is the last one that will give me opportunity to change. For instance, external drives come with this connector, and sometimes it's hard to have a spare cable. So with this I will able to connect to USB-C, okay? So don't forget, if you found this kind of video nice, if you enjoyed, to drop a like on the video, consider to subscribe, and if you have any comments, please leave them on the comments below, and I will try to reply to everybody. And I will also leave the links for all the products on the description of the video. So I'll catch you on a new video. Thank you, and bye bye.